It is ongoing process. You know well that any illegal immigrant coming to India from different parts of our country. So the act is there, the law is there, the enforcers are there. So we take action accordingly as per the provision of the law. So that's what we are doing even till today.
So you will be strengthening the VDP, will you be harming the
Yeah, this see, because see, if you talk about the illegal immigration, this is the national subject. In fact, it's not the state subject. But let me tell you one thing: as far as this situation that we have in Bangladesh, now we have decided from the state government that we will also reactivate the function of the VDP in all the international border as well as the interstate border.
will you be giving them arms?
Not necessarily arms, but we will do further training. We will have some kind of training, and then we will see also what are the basic requirements needed to be done. So that we are in the process of completing this whole issue. Then we will give some more, as I said to you, some more, some more training to the VDPs so that they can also handle this issue.
Sir, how safe our borders are right now?
No, right now we are safe. I'm not saying that we are not safe. We are safe because see, jointly, be it from the BSF side, be it from the police, state police side, we are fully alerted, and we have already directed even the district administration of all the districts in the state that they should be always alert whenever information is informed. Then action is taken.
Sir, Bangladesh election